వందనం. నేను మీ అక్షిత్ని. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు AK2 క్రియేషన్స్. సో నేను పెట్టే వీడియోస్ నోటిఫికేషన్ మీకు ఎల్లప్పుడూ అందాలంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ యాక్టివేట్ ద బెల్ బటన్. Before going to today's topic, today I going to tell you a moral message about farmers. Farming and agriculture are the backbone of our country. Without farmers, we wouldn't have access to food and other basic necessities. Population continues to grow, the workload of farmers also expands. Farmers have the great importance in our society. They are the one who provide us food to eat. So all of us should support and help the farmers. It's our responsibility to take care of farmer needs. So let's go to today's topic, amphibians and reptiles. Firstly, we will know about amphibians. Amphibians are small vertebrates that need water or moist environment to survive. The species in this group include frogs, toads, salamanders, mountain chicken, tomato frog, tiger salamanders, newts. All can breathe and absorb water through their very thin skin. Amphibians also have special skin glands that produce useful proteins. Some transport water, oxygen and CO2 either into or out of the animal. An amphibian is a cold-blooded vertebrate animal that is born in water and breathes with gills. As the larva grows into its adult form, the animal's lungs develop the ability to breathe air and the animal can live on land. As I told you earlier in my first video, Carboniferous is a period which is also known as Age of Amphibians. So all of us have a doubt that how long an amphibian can live. Most of the frogs and toads can live more than 5 years. Some salamanders can live more than 10 years. So let's learn about the life cycle of frog. Frogs are amphibians, which means that they can live in water or inland. They go through several stages of life before they become adult frogs, and during those stages they can live only in water. Stage 1. Egg. A frog begins its life as a fertilized egg. A female frog lays a lot of eggs at one time in a pond. The eggs float on water in a jelly mass. The eggs will soon hatch into tadpoles. Frog take 3 to 25 days to hatch its eggs. Stage 2. Tadpole. Tadpole looks more like a fish than a frog. It doesn't have any legs. It has gills that allow it to breathe underwater. The tadpole swims, eats plants and algae from the water and grows for several weeks. During this time, the tadpole starts to develop lungs, so it will be able to breathe out of the water. When it becomes a frog, the tadpole also starts to grow 2 hind legs. Now it can leap around instead of only swimming. Although the tadpole is starting to look a little more like a frog, it still has a very long tail. This process runs around 14 weeks. Stage 3. Young frog. Young frog is also called as froglet. The tadpole grows its 2 front legs and its long tail becomes shorter and shorter. The tadpole uses the nutrients stored in its tail as food. So until its tail is completely gone, it doesn't need anything else to eat. Then just a little stub of its tail is left and grows into a young frog. It hops right out of the water and onto dry land for the first time, and the frog is still very small. Stage 4. Adult frog. The frog's tail will eventually disappear completely and it will start to eat insects instead of plants from water. The young frog will grow for about 2 to 4 years to become an adult. The adult frogs then lay their eggs and hatch the more tadpoles and begin the cycle again. The changing of the stages of life cycle of frog, it undergoes through the process metamorphosis. Do you want to know about the definition of metamorphosis? Please go through the description. So let's go to next topic, reptiles. What are reptiles? An animal that has cold blood and a skin covered with scales and whose young ones come out through eggs are called reptiles. Almost all reptiles have tails. Examples of reptiles are crocodiles, dinosaurs, turtle, lizards, snakes, chameleon, tortoise, and alligator, and more. Reptile reproduction also depends on temperature. Only birds give birth to live young ones. The other species lay their eggs. The reptiles hatch the eggs for 4 to 8 weeks. The soil temperature is critical during that time. It determines how many hatchings will be male or female. Young reptiles can glide, walk, and swim within hour of the birth. So that's all about today's topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి మంచి మంచి వీడియోస్ తో మళ్ళీ మీ ముందుంటాను. అంతవరకు స్వస్తి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.